We've always believed that life needs water. But what if life doesn't play by our rules? NASA's latest study on Saturn's moon Titan suggests that the very first steps toward life might actually happen, not in water like on Earth, but in lakes filled with liquid methane. So instead of water, it's methane that could be setting the stage for life. So what's the big deal about Titan? Unlike most moons in our solar system, Titan has actual lakes and seas on its surface. But instead of water, they're filled with liquid methane and ethane. But the same methane and ethane will be in gas form on Earth, but on Titan, it's in liquids form because of its freezing temperatures. For years, scientists have wondered if anything even remotely close to life could survive in such alien conditions. And now, they might be getting closer to an answer. NASA's recent research talks about something called vesicles. So what is it actually? On Earth, the origin of life is believed to have started with simple chemical structures coming together. One key step was the formation of vesicles, tiny bubble-like structures made of special molecules called amphiphiles. These amphiphiles have two parts. One part loves liquids, it mixes easily, called hydrophilic. The other part hates liquids, it repels, called hydrophobic. When these amphiphiles are in water, they naturally arrange themselves into spherical bubbles, vesicles, where the liquid-loving part faces outwards and the liquid-hating part hides inside. These vesicles act like tiny containers that trap other molecules inside, creating a safe space where chemical reactions could happen. Scientists believe that early life on Earth started inside such vesicles, as they could protect and organize the essential chemistry of life. But here's where things get interesting. NASA thinks that on Titan, similar vesicles could form in methane lakes instead of water. Imagine this. Methane rain falls on Titan, splashes into a lake, tiny droplets rise up, and those droplets pick up amphiphiles. As they fall back into the lake, they could merge, forming vesicles. And these little vesicles might create a safe space for chemical reactions, the first baby steps towards life. This discovery is huge because it challenges a belief we've had for a long time, that life can only start in water-based environments. If vesicles can form in methane, it means life can form in Titan too. And this is just the beginning. NASA is gearing up for the Dragonfly mission, which will send a drone to explore Titan. It won't dive into the lakes, but will study the atmosphere and surface, hoping to find more clues about Titan's chemistry, and maybe even the potential for life. So,